Hey guys, what's up? I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel, and this is my dog Gabru. Today he's going to help us decide the makeup. Strange but fun. Let's do it. Let's see if he likes anything or he doesn't give a damn.
But before that, subscribe to my channel for regular updates.
We're going to choose between blushes, Gugu, okay? Gugu, look here. Which one? Which one? Yay! I think he likes this, so we're going to use this. Let's see. I have two foundations with me, NARS and Fendi Beauty. Let's see which one he likes. Gabu, can you choose? Yay! I think he likes Fendi Beauty, so we're going to go with Fendi Beauty. The next I'm going to ask him to choose is an eyeshadow. Both are MAC but different shades. Let's see which one he likes. Gugu, choose. Look here. Choose. Yay! I think he likes this, so we're going to use it, okay? This is the shade Devoted to Chili. Now Gabu is going to choose between my concealers. Okay? Gabu, choose. Which one? Yay! He likes this. So we're going to use one size. My favorite. Now he's going to choose the lipstick. Let's see which one he likes. Gabu, look here. Idhar. Look here. Which one? Which one? This one. Okay. We'll use this. This is by Too Faced, guys. So I'm just mentioning the product, but eventually we'll do the makeup together. Okay? Okay, let's see which one he likes in for highlighters. One is by Rare Beauty, other one is by MAC. Let's see if he likes any of those. Gugu, which one? Which one? Yay! I think he likes the Enlighten, my favorite too. So now that Gabru has chosen my makeup, let's get into it, okay? The first product that he chose was Fendi Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 300. I'm going to use very little, guys, and this is something that you can apply with your fingers. Guys, I have done a full video on foundation. In case if you're interested, you can go watch it. I'm going to put the link somewhere here. I really love this foundation, guys. It's so lightweight, it's so skin-like, and the beauty is you can use your hands with it. This is a foundation that you can pretty much use on everyday basis, and you know, it's almost skin-like finish. And I am really into foundations which give you skin-like finish because I think it just makes you look very, very natural, which is what I like. See, and it's so easy to blend. It's so easy to blend. You can use your fingers. In fact, Rihanna also promotes using your fingers. So yeah, it's a win-win situation. See, looks nice, very, very clean, very simple. And the formulation is brilliant. It's your everyday go-to foundation, guys. If you want a foundation, which is your everyday foundation, this is the one. Please, please, please give it a try, okay? Okay, guys, for eyebrows, we're going to use PAC Eyebrow Kit. This is something I always use in my videos. So in case if you haven't watched it, you'll know. This is what I really like, guys. Very affordable. It has all the right browns and black, depending on your eyebrow color. I usually use the browns one because that's what looks natural on me. I'm going to use the mirror, guys, because I can't see from the phone much. Always dust off the extra product, guys, and keep your eyebrows as natural as possible. Don't make it too dense, or don't give too much shape so that it looks unnatural. Just follow your natural eyebrow, okay? Whatever shape it has, how much ever dense it is, just make it as natural as possible so that yeah, this is how my eyebrows look. Very, very natural, nothing too much. And I love this kit, guys. In case if you're interested, please try it out. It is really good, and I'm going to put the link of the product in the description, so don't worry about finding it out yourself. The next thing that Gabru picked up for me was this is the eyeshadow by MAC. It's called Devoted to Chili. So let's see how this looks, okay? Again, I'm going to use my finger, guys. If you know, you know. That's how I do my makeup. Very rare you'll see me using brushes. Now guys, this shade actually I had picked up because I wanted a shade which is very natural when it comes to office and like those professional meetings, because I wanted something which obviously creates impact, but at the same time it's not too loud. So this is what the MAC guys had recommended, and I tried it on. I actually kind of fell in love with it. The pigmentation is so good, so good. If you can see, it's so good. Yeah, I like it. This is how the shade looks like, guys. I really like it, especially for the times when you're going for a professional meeting, or you're going to work, or you are actually even going to your college party, but you don't want it to be too blingy. You want to keep it subtle and classy. So this is a great shade. You can give it a try. The concealer that Gabro had chosen for me was one size concealer. This is also my favorite. So guys, obviously there are multiple tricks to apply your concealer. Okay, you will see so many videos out there which will tell you koi V banao, koi U banao, koi upar karo, koi niche karo. See, I definitely feel that बेसिकली कंसीलर का फंडा क्या है? फंडा ये है कि जहां आपके डार्क सर्कल्स है उसको हटाना है, करेक्ट? तो आई जस्ट फील कि जहां जहां आपके डार्क सर्कल्स है उधर थोड़ा थोड़ा टैप करो, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. ओके, कोई शेप वेप, मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक रॉकेट साइंस, इट्स नॉट लाइक सो डिफिकल्ट. आई जस्ट फील कि like my dark circles are more in the inner eye area side, so I apply a little more extra there, and it's less on the outer side, so I apply less on the outer side. But yeah, I definitely try and kind of cover as much as possible, and again I use my fingers. Now, why I like this one, guys, is कि usually क्या होता है, you would have seen that when you apply a concealer, you kind of bake it, right? You use powder to kind of bake your concealer. Now, good thing about this concealer is that it's the formulation which is so sexy that it gives me very powdery finish. Like, I definitely don't feel the need to apply like powder underneath it. I have tried it without powder and it stays intact the whole day, guys. Like, I definitely, sometimes I forget, and sometimes you don't have time, so I forget to bake under eye, and this really stays. And even if I don't bake it, it is still as effective as the ones that you bake it with. So that's why I really like this one. You can give it a try. This is in the shade medium dark 4, called Go Go. Okay, so if you see, it has pretty much covered, and you don't feel like those formulations which are a little oily. So that's when you kind of obviously need to bake it a little bit more, just to give because obviously your under eyes also secrete oil, and when the kind of two together mix, it creases out very easily. So they obviously suggest you to use a baking powder under it so that it doesn't crease. But this one actually doesn't crease even if I don't use a baking powder, and I'm not going to use a baking powder today, even though I have it, but we'll avoid it. Okay, this is how my concealer looks like. Now we are going to get into what he had chosen next. He had chosen a Rare Beauty highlighter. I've done a lot of videos on Rare Beauty products, but this is like my favorite. Okay, I use it here in the forehead, just the central part, because it really kind of enlightens the center portion and kind of focuses on the center portion of your face. Now, the next product that Gabro had chosen for us was the blush. This is the blush that he had chosen. This is by MAC. It is in the shade Heat Index, called Glow Play Brush. Okay. Now, I'm going to use the brush for it. I hope I have it. Okay. Now, this is a cream blush, guys. So, this is a great one if you are into cream blushes. And it is obviously very, very pigmented also. So you don't have to kind of try too hard. And always take your blush on the top, because again, it gives you a very nice lifted look, especially if you are a chubby baby like me. Yeah, try this trick, okay? Yeah, this is how the blush looks like. Blush with the brush looks like. Very nice, very subtle, kind of really merges well with your makeup. Again, a good one to try. Now, what he chose next for me was the lipstick. Okay, this is the lipstick that he chose. This is by Too Faced, guys. Now, usually what happens with our complexion is that when we use brown lipsticks, they mostly wash us out. So when we're looking for the nude brown lipstick, so to say, most of them kind of wash us out. But I have kind of done a full video on the nude brown lipsticks that you will love, especially if you're my skin type. So this is the link of the video. Please check it out. This one is one of my favorite ones from the collection that I've talked about, and I have really talked about very few, like 5 of them. So you don't have to kind of try too many. This is called Choco Chip, guys. It is beautiful. See, this is a bullet lipstick. This is how it looks like. I love the packaging. See how subtle, how classy. It's like that perfect nude brown lipstick that you would need. It glides on beautifully. It's super hydrating. It stays for a very long time. So it is a very good one. Please try it out if you haven't, and tell me if you like it, if you've tried it. Okay. So this is how, you know, the whole look so far has come. The other thing that he chose for me was this mascara. This is by Maybelline. It is called Sky High Mascara Lash Sensational. Guys, I really love Maybelline and L'Oreal products for its mascara. So I definitely feel that you don't have to invest like in expensive mascara products. I think Maybelline and L'Oreal have really cracked it in an affordable range. So you can give them a try and don't bother spending money on those expensive mascaras. Not needed. Not needed. Okay. By the way, guys, if you don't know, then Gabru is my second dog. Basically, I have 2 dogs. One is a Labrador and other one is a Rottweiler. You met Gabru today. The other dog's name is Dexter. He's actually 13 years old. He's really old, but he's very active, okay? Probably in some of the videos, I'm going to introduce him to you guys whenever he thinks he has the energy to catch up. But mostly, yeah, he's sleeping, he's eating, yeah, and he loves to play with Gabru. That's his drill. So yeah, if you see, guys, it's a nice mascara, very light, and again, waterproof, stays for a long time, very affordable. So give this one a try. Now, what else did he choose for me? He obviously did not choose anything else because he kind of ran out of patience, and he left. He said, "Mama, I don't care about your makeup. I want to go play." So now I'm going to kind of pick up stuff on my own and continue this. I'm going to use NARS eyeliner, guys. No, eyeliner I really love. This NARS eyeliner is very good. This is how it looks like. Okay, and it is a very sharp, like if you see, it has a very sharp, this thing. That's why I like it. It is very easy for me to create that look. Let me quickly do it for you and show it. And again, it stays for a very long time. By the way, guys, don't you think eyeliner lagana is like, you know, it's an art. It's not that simple. It's not easy. But I have kind of learned it decently well because I used to really love eyeliners. Actually, I love eyeliners more than I love kajal. See? It really makes a difference to your eyes, no? It defines your eyes, it makes it look bigger. So I really love eyeliner more than I love kajal. But if you're a kajal girl, that's also sexy, huh? Like, I really like some girls with kajal. Like, kajal really suits them, but it doesn't suit me so much. Not bad, Minnie, not bad. This is something that I can do quickly. And, you know, a lot of my friends actually get it done from me because they just feel, that it just, you know, kind of takes different shapes on different eyes if you don't get the eyeliner right. Yeah, so mostly I think we are done. I don't want to overdo anything. This is how my face kind of looks like. The last thing we're going to do is setting spray. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, guys. It is very good. This is one of the products I really love from Charlotte Tilbury. You know, obviously there are a lot of products which are super expensive and I'm not sure if they're worth it, like your Pillow Talk Medium, like their, you know, highlighters. Not worth it. So, but this one I definitely feel is something you can invest in. You can buy a smaller bottle and it will stay for a long time. A lot of makeup artists also have it, which is why I love this one. It gives you a nice glow, makes you feel hydrated, and also makes your makeup stay for a very long time. Now, this is not something Abu was interested in. He did not choose anything, but I'm choosing Charlotte Tilbury, okay? Wow, so refreshing, and it smells also very luxurious. So I love this one, okay? Yeah, that's the whole look, guys. I hope you like it. Again, this is something that I like. It is very, very simple. Every day, go to office or go to college, or if you're going for a party. If you don't want anything too over the top, if you don't like anything too loud, and if you like it things which is subtle, classy, then this is the look that I love, love, love. And that's the look I'm into. Okay, if you know, you know. So yeah, I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun, and I'm going to see you in the next one. The next one is going to be interesting one, which is I'm going to talk about super interesting skincare products, which is like most difficult to understand, but I'm going to simplify it for you so beautifully that skincare is not going to look complicated to you at all. So if you're interested, then please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment, and you know the drill, right? See you. Bye. Love you.